Here in Solstice.
Not Solstice.
Solstice.
No, Solstice. The tripan. Si Solstice.
Try nila dito. Wait lang naman ang sabi. Hola! So, yeah. Wala kayong magawa. It's Saturday today. Kaya, gagala lang ng konti. Gagala ng konti. So, it's a happy day. Happy day. Ang init ng panahon.
The average of train speed here in Denmark is between 80 and 90 kilometers.
80 and 90 kilometers. That is the average.
Yeah. Or 90 or 100, I can.
Time is 9:23. So yeah, we're leaving in jungle.
Like monkeys.
Oo, gano'n. Yeah, ito yung daanan namin.
And you know for what is this? To put it on a backpack. Crazy. We have at home. We have to attach it on the backpack. And then you put it here and you have it as a
So what we should do? Which part? What we should do?
Hello?
Mm-hmm.
It's not better to hold it like this.
Yeah, you can, but it's too small. Oh, this is Stone.
Where is the
Yeah,
center? I can't remember.
over here. Come. So yeah, we're here and so ang init grabe. It's so hot.
I think here we get married.
Yeah, we get married here. Ba, di ba? Memories.
The best decision in your life.
What the? Oh really? It's a best decision.
Yeah. You get a million?
It's a Barney.
Oh, and it's poor.
Store. Menu. Yeah. So, ganito yung mga office nila dito. So, go. So, election na. This is young. Maybe it's for youth. For young. Folk party. Conservative. Conservative party. This is ayan. Pwede ka na. Should we walk or left or right? This is the church also, right? Oh wow. Do you remember? This is a big man? Galing din nila mag-paint. They're really good at painting. Is this a tulip? No. Is that a tulips? No. Of course, they answer my question. Wow. Maria. What's the second hand shop? Hola! Maingay. Oh, there's second-hand shop. Diba? Yeah, second-hand shop is my favorite. Grabe, laking tulong siya para sa akin. Almost lahat ng mga gamit ko galing sa second-hand shop. Diba, man, dapat lang maging practical minsan, not minsan, all the time. Pero bigo. Mga houses dito sa taas, shop sa baba, tapos sa taas niya mga apartment, diba? So maghanap tayo ng kakainan, pero gusto ko ng sushi. Sana lang yun yung piliin niya kasi siya yung magbabayad, so siya muna ang boss natin for today. Where should we go? Should we eat now or later? Should we eat now or later? Maybe we eat first and then we go walk after.
Or maybe we eat when you came back.
Where?
In the other one.
Did they open? Are they open? What time they will gonna close?
No, they should be open because it's Saturday.
Okay, let's go then. I told you can. May mood yung kasama ko. Nako. So maghahanap kami ngayon ng ituluhan daw. So yan. Masarap din naman kasing kumain. Masarap ba? Or ako lang yung nasasarapan? Kasi food is life sa akin eh. Ako diba? Is this the church? Church? Ang ganda ng paligid.
What?
So nice.
What?
What? Okay, nice. So, where should we go now? I think they are closed. I don't know. Park? Park. Ang hangin. So, we're gonna eat here in restaurant China House.
So you are talking.
So I'm talking
Eddie
there.
wow. Eddie wow.
Eddie wow.
So you just talk in 3 minutes without.
Yeah, without actually I thought it was it was turned on
No, we cannot.
the camera.
We need to go back.
I mean the video, but sadly to say I didn't press it.
Beginner mistake.
Yeah, the beginner mistake. Yeah, so we're here in the church of Maribo, and here's the cemetery. The cemetery here, it's look like a park. Pagpasensyahan nyo na yung boses ko, sobrang pabebe lang at saka parang sinasakal. Actually, yung mga kahoy dito is sobrang oldie na, pero they are not allowed to cut it without permission. Kailangan nilang ng license. Ito naman yung church. I will show you. Mahangin, grabe.
Somewhere
Nakakatakot.
in Denmark, I think in Aalborg, because they not cut the forest.
Okay.
It's one of the most oldest forests in Denmark.
No.
The tree they are already start to be like this,
Okay. It's
but they are really nice.
yeah.
And it's not allowed inside the forest with the bike, with motorcycle, just
And
by
also,
foot.
okay. And it's also dangerous if the tree is too old and maybe suddenly it will be fall down. Fall down. With people in the...
They are old, but they are in a good shape. I mean,
Ah, okay. So they are still
yeah.
taking care of them. So wait. That is the church. Yeah. Oh, they closed it.
No.
I thought they closed it. No, I don't want. It's also huge. Their huge, big, their church here.
Yeah, you know, it's also so it's long.
Yeah, this is old church.
Okay.
Hi, Nini. You're so taba.
It's a baby tiger.
It's a baby tiger. Yeah. And look at me. Could you imagine? Cluster jail. Yeah. It sucks for being lit. But it doesn't have English on it. Ah, here. English na to.
This is the app, what I have it in the phone.
Okay.
Yeah, it's writing all the
That way.
spot what you can visit and the trails or the bike or hiking.
Hikings. Yeah. Okay. Maganda yung panahon ngayon, kaya masarap maglakad-lakad. I think, can I use here?
And here it's like a restaurant. Look for the title.
Yeah,
I think.
I think so, yeah.
Yeah.
Over here. Oh my god, it's really nice stuff. Diba? It's really tall. So maybe we can walk on this part over here and then going around like that, or
I don't know. I don't know who around.
so we're just walking around. Hi!
What's up, people?
Oh, di ba? Nakalain mo yun. May natutunan. So, yeah. At least ngayon, nasasama ko na siya sa mga ka-eme-emehan ko, di ba? Actually, ayaw niyang nakikita siya sa mga videos ko or camera or mga photos na ina-upload ko. But, look at him now. Mm. I'm shy. Shy daw ang person. My God, diba? Medyo sinusuportahan naman na niya sa mga kabaliwan ko, diba? So, yeah. So, ito yung way. Grabe, tirik ang araw. Seems like I wanna do swimming.
We don't have the right tools for that.
Oh, really? It's not allowed here? Oh, I like that house. Pero malumot yung yung tubig.
Jump.
Hi. Can you go there? I will take a photo on you. Yeah. Look here. One more time. Diba? Photographer.
Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness.
I really...
Yeah.
Yeah. Not somebody doesn't want to take photo on. Diba? And we are here in...
Eddie, wow.
Susambong kita kay papa ko.
Eddie, wow.
Oh, diba? Eddie, wow daw.
Uy.
So,
Uy.
you're a Filipino na.
Uy.
So, this is the place here in Maribo na pwede mong puntahan anytime. Pag nai-stress ka, puntahan mo lang yung mga lugar na ganito.
Can I sit down?
Yeah, of course you can. So, we will take a pause a little. So, pause. Break. So a little break. Can I turn? Can you turn it up?
Huh?
Can you turn? So, ay, thank you Lord. Lakad-lakad ng konti for today. Do you have a regret to came here?
No.
No. So it's really peaceful here.
Yeah. You can listen to the birds. And they are mosquito and they bite me. Because I'm sweet.
You are sweet? Are you
Yes.
sure?
Yeah.
Okay, can you solo?
That's why the mosquito bite you.
Because they doesn't bite me. Maybe I'm sour.
You
I'm
don't know
really
the way.
Oh really? You don't know. But yeah, the thing is we are enjoying. Gabi, do you remember when the first time we came here? Huh?
I think it's last year.
Last year? Yeah, that is the first time, right?
Yeah. But I was before here.
I know. And there are a lot.
Yeah.
Maybe we can go to another place,
Yeah. I just want to drink water.
Wow, somebody's drinking water now.
I'm thirsty.
Before I cannot really force you to drink water.
Love. Also when I go to buy car, drink water.
Oh, that's very good. That's good for you. Yeah, kasi dati hindi siya umiinom ng tubig. They are not mosquito.
They are.
Ow.
Right?
Aray ko. O diba?
Alright?
Aray. Did you
Aray
hear
ko?
that? Aray mo. Oh, look the view here. From here, it's really nice. No? It's really nice from here.
Love? Here we go up. Now I'm the cameraman.
You need to talk.
I'm talking
More.
in my mind. Can we walk in the forest?
Yeah.
Here, I think here is the reception for the camping site. Yeah. And I think they have a restaurant also.
You didn't take your photo.
Hmm?
You didn't get take photo.
To who?
To me.
I make you know.
Yeah.
Ang ganda. This is music. It's really music. Sabi ka music.
Did you see the purpose of the forest? It's right away you get fresh air. Now it's a road. No. What's here?
I also have.
What you have? My God. Maybe we will get hired in CNN or BBC. I think here it's a place maybe for camping. This looks like.
Grabe, iba talaga yung
Look the sun.
look the difference.
It's better mine. Don't be jealous.
Binubuli na ako ng asawa ko. God!
Hi, Ellie.
Hi!
Where are you going?
Going!
Hi, neighbor.
I want to do
Yung snake in the forest.
Yeah.
Yeah, have anaconda love here.
Anaconda?
Bah,
Really?
what the heck? Don't have snake in Denmark.
Why not?
They don't like here. It's not hot. Maybe they have that water snake sometimes, and they are not here.
Okay, so ever since they doesn't have a snake here. I have an idea now.
What idea?
Let's bring a snake here.
Love.
Don't be so crazy. I
Exactly.
know. I know, I am.
Exactly. Oh, what is here?
This is where the penguin have
The who?
penguin.
What penguin?
I mean, they are making skate here before.
Okay.
They make a show here before.
But now, no more.
Ito na yan. Ito yan.
Yeah.
Where should we go now?
Just go like this.
Maybe we can shortcut here.
Huh?
Maybe we can do shortcut.
Just
Gata.
Yeah.
Let me see.
Come on, it's a good shot, this. I know this.
Okay.
I'm good.
I'm good. Yeah. Yeah, somebody's good, huh? Taking photo. Yeah. So, we're turning there. So, we can go home now. We can go home now. Ah, Freeland Museum.
No.
Where is this? Over there.
But I think it's closed.
So, here you go again, cat. We're going home. Right? Is this a one way or what? Yeah. Dito. Yung mga bahay nila dito, yung talagang luma na. Pero, naalagaan naman nila. Dito. Do you know how many
Step we made?
steps?
No. Oh,
Around 6,000.
oh, that's good.
Oh, it's really 6,000.
Oh, we get a reward. My God, Lord. My goodness.
What is this look?
Huh?
What is
Loop?
it?
I
Yeah.
don't know.
Safari tour. So, I think last na yun. So, we're going home. That's all for today. Bye.
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 See you later, alligator.